Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Plus Marks. Today's topic is Anomalous Secondary Growth Part 1. So let's start the video. Before knowing about the anomalous secondary growth, we have to know about normal secondary growth. Normal secondary growth har karane duta criteria thake. There are two criteria of normal types of secondary growth. Fascicular and interfascicular cambia together form a normal cambium ring. Picture dekhor nisena koi etu hoise fascicular cambium aru etu hoise interfascicular cambium. Jetia duyuta cambium log hobo tetia eta normal cambial ring form koribo. Normal type of secondary growth khetrot hoday a cambial ring to form hoy with the help of fascicular and interfascicular cambium. Second criteria is all the segments of cambial ring produce secondary phloem outside and secondary xylem inside. Secondary xylem being excess of secondary phloem. Second criteria to etu bujua hoise cambiumor main kamte hoise secondary growth. Jetia eta normal secondary growth hoy tetia phloem hoday outside phale that is periphery phale aru secondary xylem hoday bhitor phale ba pithor phale form hobo. Secondary phloemot koi secondary xylemor সংখ্যা to বেছি হয় এই দুটা হৈছে normal criteria. এতিয়া ইসো anomalous secondary growth or বিষয়ে anomalous secondary growth can be defined as deviation of normal secondary growth and production of secondary vascular tissues and secondary non-vascular tissues by normal cambium with abnormal activity or by accessory cambium or by abnormally situated cambia with normal activity. Anomaly mane hoise abnormal growth. Gotike anomalous secondary growth heitu hobo jitu hobo normal secondary growth koi pithok. Gotike anomalous secondary growth he production kore secondary vascular tissue aru secondary non-vascular tissue bur ki processor dara anomalous secondary growth form hoy he ami next slide ot pam. এই চাৰিটা processor দ্বাৰা deviation of normal secondary growth আমি দেখা পাও, that is anomalous secondary growth আমি দেখা পাও. Deviation from the two criteria will result in the formation of abnormal arrangement of tissues. The deviation of two criteria মানে হৈছে normal secondary growth or criteria দুটা. এটা আছিল interfascicular আৰু fascicular cambium এটা cambial ring form কৰে আৰু second টো হৈছিল যে phloem হদায় outside আৰু xylem হদায় inside ৰ ফালে move কৰিব. এই দুটাক বাদ দি যদি আমি নতুন কিবা স্ট্ৰাকচাৰ ফৰ্ম হোৱা দেখো বা কিছু এনমেলি বা এবনৰ্মেলিটি দেখো তাক আমি কৈছো anomalous secondary growth বুলি. এই চাৰিটা প্ৰচেছৰ দ্বাৰা হ'ব পাৰে abnormal activity of normal cambium. ইয়াত যেটো cambial ring হেটো normal থাকিব, that is fascicular আৰু interfascicular cambium দুই এটা ring form কৰিব, কিন্তু তাৰ activity টো abnormal হ'ব. Second, abnormally situated cambium forms normal secondary tissues. ইয়াত cambium ring tour function normal hobo kintu yar position bur beleg hobo pare, the numbers or the position will be different. Third, the formation of secondary tissue by accessory cambium. Yat cambium ring or logote kisuman accessory cambium dekha pao. And the last one is formation of interxylary and intraxylary phloem that are anomalous structure. Intraxylary mane hoise xylemor bhitorot and interxylary mane hoise xylemor majot. Gotike formation of this kind of phloem that are anomalous in structure ultimately results in the formation of anomalous secondary growth in plants. We will discuss it in our next videos. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt, you can comment down below.